Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Reforge. Today we're unboxing the Corsair RM850e White, an 850-watt fully modular power supply. It comes in a black and yellow box, but the PSU itself is white and looks fantastic in modern PC builds. This model comes in a distinctive black and yellow box, but the PSU itself is white, which makes it a perfect fit for white and minimalist builds. When we open the box, the first thing we see is the power supply inside a protective bag, well protected and neatly packed. Inside the box, you also get fully modular cables, which means you can connect only the cables you actually need. This helps keep the inside of the case clean and makes cable management much easier. The package also includes documentation with safety information and the standards that the product meets. The power supply is well protected and neatly packed. The specifications of this PSU are impressive. 850 watt with a plus 12V rail capable of delivering up to 70.8A. 850 watts with a plus 12-volt rail capable of delivering up to 78 amps. ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 compatibility, ready for the latest CPU and GPU configurations. 120mm fan with a semi-passive mode and a rifle bearing, quiet operation even under heavier loads. It comes with all standard connectors. It includes all the standard connectors. 1 20 plus 4-pin ATX, 2 4 plus 4-pin EPS connectors for the CPU, 3 6 plus 2-pin PCIe connectors for the GPU, 6 SATA connectors, and 2 Molex connectors. You also get mounting screws and cable ties for cable management. The power supply feels very high quality and solid. Modular cables make organization easier. Gold efficiency and quiet cooling promise stable performance and a peaceful, quiet environment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and follow Tech Reforge so you don't miss the next one.